that was cool. That looked good. I like that. That was good.
Darn it, I should have got it from the front.
Yeah, how everything went, it looked really nice.
Thanks, man. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We appreciate you coming back. Today we are on beautiful Highway 1. We're going to do a adventure up in the Nahatlatch Valley area. We're actually going to make our way up and see what's left of the Nahatlatch fire tower. It holds a special meaning to us. We'll explain that a little later. But we're heading up there right now. We're glad you joined us. And do us a favor, while you're here, hit that subscribe button, like, and leave a comment. We always appreciate it. We're leaking water.
Leaking water?
Yeah.
Out of the jug?
What's that?
Out of the water jug, you mean?
Yeah. I did it up as tight as I could, so.
It happens.
It does happen.
Just go see who is all with us today.
It took us nearly 2 years to get up and see the devastation we're about to see. I know many have been here since that sad day, but this place holds a special and memorable spot in our hearts, as this was the destination of our very first FLM group run. Now don't get me wrong, we had been on other runs with other groups and even with the 4-Wheel Drive Association, but what made this so special 2 years ago is it was ours.
Weather's definitely turning.
It is. Those cars are pretty dark. Trees are moving pretty good.
Yeah.
We might be heading into a storm.
Maybe.
Remember when this was all green and lush?
Yep, I do. Definitely do. It's sad.
Yep. That is absolutely insane. So many black trees. I think I remember this spot actually.
So Joanne hasn't seen the full benefit of our investment, at least when it comes to the locker. So I took the worst line on this part that an IFS should probably ever take. Let's see what she thinks about it.
Wowzers. That's insane. Like, didn't even bat an eye as soon as you put that locker on.
Nope.
Woo!
What's wrong?
It's just a little bit tipsy, which I'm sure is not getting picked up on this
No, it never
angle.
Does. Never does.
Oh.
These damn long Toyota hoods.
This is a tight little corner.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it for the first one.
Just when we thought we were done going up.
I knew we weren't done going up.
No, actually.
I can't even see.
No, it's pretty. If you can't see the trail, you know it's steep.
The camera will see it because it's sitting higher, but I literally cannot see over the hood. I'm just, at this point, I'm just watching the side of the cliff to make sure we don't go at it. Come on, where's the trail?
We have reached the top.
This is absolutely incredible. Like, I get it, a fire went through here, but when you look back and you know what it used to look like, it really plays with your mind. This is not the Nahatlatch we remember.
This is crazy. So different from when we were here last, obviously. I'd be lying if I didn't say I'm feeling a little bit of emotion right now. But it is cold. I am going to go grab my hoodie. And I'm sure we'll get the drone up. This is nuts. Crazy, eh?
This is sad. This is totally sad.
I'm gonna head down that trail where we had lunch the last time we were here.
Okay.
See, you can see all the hinges and stuff, eh?
Yeah.
There's a hinge right here.
Look at the whole foundation right here. It's crumbled away.
Yep.
Like Adam and Cheyenne said in their video.
All the ice that,
Well,
sorry, glass.
Melted glass.
Insane. Nails
Yeah, that's
or
why.
screws, like those look new. Or my,
Oh, no, they're not new.
no?
No.
Okay. That's nuts. Gotta take a stroll. Oh, it is cold. Wow. So crazy. This is gorgeous still. But like Walter said, so sad. When we were here last, we sat on the bench, we had lunch, just enjoyed the views, the sunshine, the tower itself. Wow, it's crazy. You could not see the road coming up before because of all the tree coverage. Now, it's, wow. So beautiful though. So beautiful. This is insane. It is absolutely gorgeous, but it's also absolutely sad. I think that if you are still here with us, do us a huge gigantic favor, go down below, hit that sub button, give us a like, drop us a comment. I don't know, we haven't seen a lot of people coming up here in the last little while. We did want to wait a couple years, let the ground stabilize. But wow, this is, wow. Thanks for watching.
That's what they started doing. Well, it's like even Davis wanted to go down. So when you leave, you go up. Yeah, that works out when you cross that one.
I'm just gonna put some cheese on our sandwiches and hopefully they melt in the fire.
So I can't eat it. Yeah, I can eat it, but it's still not a lot of it. My daughter, she's at home.
Some cheese. We're gonna throw these on the fire and hopefully get some nice cheese melts.
Carnivore, you're not supposed to have any vegetables or anything, but the carnivore I couldn't do it with the high salt.
All right.
But we do more carnivore.
4 or J?
It's a J.
Every once in a while, we'll treat
4
ourselves
now.
to something. Carbs. Not often, but.
Yeah, I'm a nacho whore.
Oh, well, yeah, no, go to a pub, it's nachos.
It's nachos.
Which one has the J? Can't tell anymore.
There is melt.
That one's mine.
Is that one yours?
I don't see ham.
So there is melt, which is good. Oh, look at mine. That's nice.
Oh, it's charred good though.
charred really good. That's all right. At this point.
But it is definitely melty. And if you're watching, Michelle, we did silver side in. I hope that was right. I can't get it off the foil.
I can't get it off. Oh, mine's ridiculous.
There we go. It's pulling away now.
Okay, I don't think I could even open that to put lettuce on it, so I'm going to try to eat around the burnt part.
Tomato. Some cucumber.
Okay, I can't eat this. No. I'll eat the insides. Mine is just toasted.
I'm gonna give it a good effort.
It won't. Babe, don't eat that. It's
Girl
just
guide
pure,
effort.
That's carbon. That'll just give you cancer.
Well, that was a fun day.
It was an awesome day. It was nice to meet Sean.
Who we didn't formally introduce to the people.
No, you never know how people are, but he is on Instagram at Razzie Adventure.
You guys got to go check him out.
Definitely check him out.
And as you saw, we had Brent and Tanya, and we also have Brian with us. And the pups. I don't know if we can see him in the window there.
She's just hanging her head up.
Hanging
She's
her
just
head
like
out.
having a good time.
The only
Yeah.
unfortunate part was the wind.
That wind was brutal. Like, I wanted to get more drone footage, but yeah, that wasn't going to happen.
No. Oh, the pretty yellow flowers, though.
Oh, wildflowers? Yeah.
So crazy. You know who would have appreciated that?
Oh,
Fred.
Fred. I was going to say Rod's father-in-law because I forgot his name for a minute there.
Yep.
And that one was it just stopped.
Droop down?
It was just droop. Like, it looked like your solid axle. It looked so good from the front.
Nice. That's
I
awesome.
need to get one of those GoPros that you can like stick,
Attached to the back?
you know, you can stick to it.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, that looked good.
Thanks, man.
It's like you came down around, that tire was like floating. Your back end kept it so stable. Got a call. And that was just fucking tough.
That's it. She was like, how do we get his attention? I'm like, I don't even know.
I'm on the side of a mountain right now.
That's
Oh yeah, I
crazy.
guess honking. Yeah.
Honking. Yeah, you were so tucked. You even had it right here.
These
So-
34s tuck in pretty good, actually.
That was cool. That looked good. I like that. That was good.
Darn it, I should have got it from the front.
Yeah, how everything went, it looked really nice.
Thanks, man.
It's the fire in the rain. It's the smile within the pain. It's the logic but insane. cannot know from where it
All right, guys, we have made it back down the mountain. We are doing the standard air up so that we could head out and go home. This was such an amazing day. We are so excited to have hung out with existing and brand new friends. We are hoping that you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like, give us a sub, comment, and until next time, get out there, enjoy life, and find your moments. Thanks for watching.